Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can set automatically follow-ups for your leads for your customer on your Facebook, on your Instagram, and even on your WhatsApp, and for emails, for SMS as well. We can use all those files tools for follow-ups. So it's a super easy. Let me dive in video without wasting time, and I will guide you step by step. And first of all, for these things I'm going to use GoHighLevel as a tool. Right now I have white label GoHighLevel on backend, but GoHighLevel I just white label it. And if you need these tools and you want to white label it, it's a super easy. You can also go with my affiliate link, and I will jump with you on a call and I will do the all things for you as well. So let me log in into my sub account, and here we can set follow-ups. Let me log in into another account and set follow-ups for all your leads forms. Like if someone submit forms, submit your SMS, submit emails, or whatever they actions perform and whatever their behavior have, so we can set up follow-ups accordingly. So just log in my sub account, and after that go to automations part. That's the most important feature of GoHighLevel. And yeah, let me show you how we can automate our all follow-ups. Whatever platform you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have any other social media, and you want to follow-ups, and for emails as well, and for SMS as well. So let me create an automations. I just create a folder first, then I can create automations, but right now I'm going to create a automation start from scratch. We are not going to use any recipe, and after that we need to wait a few seconds. It will create a new dashboard screen. So for follow-ups, what we can do, we can select our trigger on the base of where we can send follow-ups. The first trigger is we are going to select Instagram. Here we can say you have Instagram, or you can use like Facebook as well. Here we have Facebook leads form submitted. If Facebook lead form submitted, then what section we are going to perform on the behalf of Facebook form submitted. So I just select this one. For example, I can go with the leads flex. That page is already linked here, and same here we can select another trigger. And if leads coming from we can say that Instagram, and here we can select this one, and we can select page, and we can say leads flex. Oh, it's not link here, but we need to link our page here. And another case is if we can say that if form submitted, whatever form is, and we can select this filter, and we can go with this one and just select this form. But it's up to you, whatever form you have you can select here. And also we can send emails follow-ups and SMS follow-ups according to your requirement as well. And another case is another scenario is we can select someone book appointment. What we can say appointment is booked, and then I can select in calendar, whatever calendar you have you can select it. And same here, you can also select another triggers that should be a change content states, or that would be change anything in your contact list. So it's up to you whatever you can do as a trigger. For example, TikTok form submitted, someone message, someone LinkedIn form submitted, funnels and website page view trigger. When these trigger are happen, and you can do send SMS and emails, whatever you want to say, submit. For example, you have a survey, or we can say that customer reply, and we can select our source, which type, where the customer reply is. So we can say that customer reply. So we can select a source, and we will say reply channel. And for example, customer reply on Facebook Messenger, or we can say customer. Let's do this one first, and we will say customer reply. Where is our customer reply, and what we can say customer reply on. So whatever trigger you have, you can set it here. And after that, what you need to do, simply go to here, and after that you can select the first thing. We can add condition here. It's up to you. You can add conditions, or you can simply just follow-ups. And if you just sending follow-ups, it's super easy. Just add tag. But right now we are not able to add tag because we have different lead source. So if you put conditions, then we can select a lead source, then we can do a manual step by step all things. But in my case, I just sending follow-ups. For example, they all submitted their leads. So what we can do, we can just simply send a follow-ups. So we will say that send emails, and in email we will select templates that we are going to send them. So I will say user, and we will say user, select subject, and select the message here, test now for select the trigger, we will send emails, then we will wait few seconds, like we will wait 1 minute, and after that we will send and SMS. And same here, we can add some templates here. Yeah, we can send SMS, and after that what we can do, we can wait again, we can wait 1 minute, and after that what we can do, and what we can do, we can go here and we will send a WhatsApp message or WhatsApp flow, whatever you want to do. I will say just select the WhatsApp, because my WhatsApp is not linked yet, so it will be not going to select this one, but for testing purpose I can just select this one. Yeah, it's not going to select because I don't have verified my WhatsApp with this, so that's why it's not working. And same here, you can do with WhatsApp, you can send follow-ups on a Slack, you can do a call, you can send Instagram DM, and same here you can send manual SMS and send notification as well, or if you can reply with conversation AI as well, and also send, you can live chat, SMS, ask for book appointment, for log external call. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. There is all things here you can do and perform regarding in your follow-ups. I just make this simple workflow, but you can change it according to your requirements, and you can change it according to your needs. So that's just a basic follow-ups I can show you here, and after that you can change it according to your requirements. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how we can implement these follow-ups on your business, and how you can automatically follow-ups to your clients, get more leads and more customer. Or if you need any GoHighLevel services, I have affiliate link in my description box below. You can buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will set up all things free of cost, and even I can customize all things according to your requirements and to your brand as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.